Keeping in the box, I'd rather enjoy her out of the box and she can give me her energy, honey. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Girl, today we're going to be unboxing this Bob Mackie 45th anniversary doll. Doesn't really say much else. It's a collector's edition. It's the Barbie collector's 45th anniversary. Gorgeous. This is the back. Now my goal is this doll here, the black doll with the white dress. She is very rare, whereas the white doll with the black dress is more common. So I'm on the lookout for her. But again, she's tricky to find in the UK. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox her today because our box is a bit beat up and she's a bit squished. So I'll keep the box, but I don't feel like she's worth keeping in the box. I'd rather enjoy her out of the box and she can give me her energy, honey. So here we go. I'm going to read you the back of what the box says. So it says 45th anniversary Barbie doll by Bob Mackie. 45 years of beauty, style and glamour. Barbie doll remains a classic, widely recognized as the most collectible doll in the world. Spectacular fashion and exciting stories thrill the dreamer in us all. Extraordinary design and fine quality impress the most discerning adult. This beautiful treasure is eternal and timeless, but always exciting and timely. Now, a master of couture celebrates 45 years of Barbie doll's fabulous fashion. Bob Mackie creates a sophisticated Barbie dressed in a costume of dramatic curves inspired by Barbie doll's original 1959 debut bathing suit. The gown is defined by striking black and white. Now, what Bob is referring to is this. This is a reproduction of the swimsuit ponytail Barbie, and he's referring to this swimsuit here. I believe so. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that is what he is referring to. So it's inspired by that, which is actually kind of cool. I actually like that he took the artistic direction with that. That's quite fun. For years, Bob Mackie's designs have graced the most famous stars in the entertainment industry, as well as the most glamorous women throughout the world. His legendary eye now dresses the definitive fashion doll, Barbie, for a momentous anniversary. And that's him just there. Hi, Bob. Now, packaging, oh, bloody hell. Gorgeous, flawless. Let's take her out. Sorry, I didn't show you. So she's out the box. The box is like this. Put her back down. So let's get this focused for you. This is her face. Gorgeous. And the bottom. She has a manicure, which... Does she have a manicure? Yes. She has a manicure. Which you can't really see. There you are. Gorgeous red nails. On the back, she comes with her stand, which is one of the black Barbie collector's stands. I don't know what these are called. Tell me down below. Her certificate of authenticity. And I do have a folder for those, so that will be fab. So what I'm going to do is... Oh, and her hair is tied in a bun at the back. In a really fabulous knot style. I actually really like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove this information first. Now I'm not going to try and pull it, I'm just going to cut it. So we'll cut the tape and then that way we won't rip any of the cardboard. So this is the stand. You've all seen these before. If you watch Barbie videos, I'm sure you would have seen these before. There we are. So it's just your bog standard, basic Barbie collectible. You can see that there. And let's get her certificate out. just a normal certificate for the Barbie dolls. I love when they come with certificates. I think it's fun. Now, let's see. How is she attached? So I can see she's attached at the waist, her wrists, and I think she's attached by this as well. And her legs are attached here. So let me start by, I'll remove her legs, or the tie for the legs, which I'm guessing, so we'll just loosen that. There we are. So she's no longer attached to, oh, her shoes are at the, oh my god, fabulous shoes. She is also attached at the bottom. Her dress is attached by these little, they're like mini cable ties. So we just release her. So that's the bottom of her dress released. Yeah, you can see these little, there you go, you can see there. Just like little tags. And I'm just going to cut the elastic that is holding her arms down. Just release her arms. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is my second Bob Mackie now. I have the Moon Barbie, which you might be able to see just there. And now, I want to see how we can just cut her waist thing off. Oh, yeah, just comes off just like that. And now this is where it's going to get tricky, because I'm not really sure how we're supposed to remove the hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut. Yeah, she is wedged in there. Chop this bit off. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting these plastic bits off. This is, I wouldn't like to do this, but this is the only way I can like get her out. So, I mean, we've gone this far, right? Why not go the extra mile? Or maybe I could fold them in actually. Yeah, I'm such an idiot. Why did I just cut that? Oh well, she's not going back in anyway. Is she out? She's out. Here we go. Okay. Oh my gosh, she has a really, look at that train, honey. Look at that train. Okay, she is, okay. All right, let me just get with it a sec. Just got to adjust her earring. There we go. Okay, now the difficult part next. So yeah, she has a really nice train. Looking like these. Okay, she's gorgeous, yeah. Give you a close-up. She needs a good steam, so I'm going to have to steam this out to make this fall flat. And her legs are wrapped up. Which I actually don't mind. I think I'm going to leave them wrapped because... Oh no, I can't leave them wrapped because how is she going to stand? So... let's take off these. Oh. Oh, and she even has a little pedicure. How cute. So she'll stand on the doll stand like this. I can get it up her dress. My gosh. Yeah, she's going to need a definite steam. Let me get all these little bits out. Now, the next difficult task is going to be this. Now, this is... I don't know how I'm going to get this off. This is stuck around her hair. So, let's... Oh, it's stitched on. That was silly, Lauren. There we go. Let's wipe that off. She does have a hairnet on. So let's just take that off. That's the back of her hair. She's so pretty. You know what I like about the Bob Mackie dolls is how their head becomes part of the headdress. When I do my Moon Goddess doll reveal, you'll see what I mean. The hair is the head is supportive of the garment. Gorgeous. Again, the dress needs a steam, which I will do at a later date. Look, all the Barbies in the background looking like a mess. But yeah. This is she. Absolutely gorgeous. Definitely think she was worth it. Oh, I didn't even tell you, did I? I won this doll on eBay. I paid like £22 for her, which is such a good price because she normally goes for like £60 or even more than that, or, you know, around the £50 mark at least. So when I saw her for this, I thought, oh my gosh, that's such a good price. And I just thought, I gotta get it. And I did. And now here she is. She's gorgeous. Now, if you're interested in the shoes that she came with, they are... I want to make sure she doesn't fall. The shoes are in here. Now, I don't think I'm actually going to put her shoes on her because you can't see them. And I have another doll that these shoes would actually look fab on. So I'm going to... Oh, I knew she was going to fall on the bed. Sometimes these stands are kind of annoying. The, you know, like the ones where it hangs like that. High heel pumps that she comes with. Cute little slingback pumps. Pretty. But these are going to go on a different doll because I know that these are going to look perfect. From me and 40th anniversary Barbie, thank you so much for watching and take care of yourselves. Leave me a comment down below, please. And until next time, I will see you all very soon. Bye.